Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info, and in this video I would like to show you how to verify your card in Apple Pay. So first of all, find and open application on your iPhone called Wallet. And now you need to scroll through the list of your cards and select specific card that you want to verify. You want to tap on it and now select the option Verification Required. You have to press Complete Verification button. And now let's select specific method that you want to use in order to verify your card. So you can use an email option or using application of your bank. So I will go with email, tap Next button, and now receive your verification code and enter it here in this field. Now let's tap this tick in order to submit the code. And as you can see, this verification message disappeared. That indicates that you have successfully verified your card in Apple Pay. So that's it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.